What's up guys, I'm going to show you three variations of a split squat. It's a bodyweight exercise that you can use at home or in the gym to help build your quadriceps and also work your glutes as well, help build those up. The beauty of this exercise is it can be done pretty much absolutely anywhere. I know a lot of my subscribers, they like to train at home, or they like to stick to bodyweight exercises only. So with that being said, these are great exercises if you just want to stick with bodyweight, or if you're just starting out and want to strengthen your legs, learn the technique, and then progress to adding weight, which I think learning these with just body weight and then adding weight you will get the most out of these exercises. What I do like about these exercises is there's not a great deal of technical ability required. So at least with the starting off exercise, which is the most basic level, which I'll be showing you first, virtually anyone is able to go in and give this exercise a go. Step you backwards, drive it up. Yeah, I really wasn't beginning to trust the integrity of those tracksuit bottoms then, so I've changed to my shorts. I like to initiate this position in placing my supporting leg up on the bench, kneeling down, so my rear leg, knees on the floor, and then adjusting my front leg into the position I want it in. So the knee is tracking the toe, like so. So with each exercise, aim for about 4 seconds per rep. Alright, so you're taking 3-ish seconds to lower yourself down, and then 1 second or so to drive yourself up. Now, try not to pause at the top for too long. Once you get to the top, once you fully extend, lower yourself straight back down. Keep the muscles under tension, don't bounce the move. Build up to 4 sets of 20 repetitions on each one before you progress to the next one. And then once you're satisfied that you can do the body weight variation easily, then if you want to, and I would recommend it, add a weight in the form of a dumbbell in the hand of the leg you are working. This will really challenge you to stay stable initially the first few times, and then make sure it's a lightweight, gradually then slowly increase the weight. Try and keep your whole body sort of neutrally aligned, so your spine neutrally aligned, and also your hips and shoulders are parallel to the floor throughout, so you're not going up at any sort of awkward angle. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're able to take these split squats, implement them into your training program wherever you are at the moment. Like I said at the start, if whether you're a beginner, you might find use of them, or if you've been lifting a lot of heavy weights bilaterally with, say, barbell back squats or front squats, then for a bit of a deload, it might be beneficial for you to start doing these exercises, give you a little bit of time to rest and recover after sort of heavy training cycles, and then allow yourself to come back when you start your heavy cycle again. Thanks for watching, and anything you want to see, just let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.